A very warm welcome to Silan Software's Power BI session. So before moving on to Power BI, we need to have a basic understanding of business intelligence definition. Actually, what business intelligence is? So business intelligence refers to technologies, tools and processes that help organizations collect, analyze and visualize data from various sources, turn raw data into meaningful insights for better decision making, monitor business performance throughout dashboards and reports. Next, we will move on to what Power BI actually is. Power BI is Microsoft's BI platform that enables users to connect to multiple data sources like Excel, SQL, and cloud services data, transform and model data using Power Query and DAX. DAX is nothing but data analysis expressions, visualize data with interactive charts, graphs, and dashboards. And after that, share and collaborate on your insights across teams. So without further ado, let us first download our Power BI desktop. So select on the first link and then the download option and 728 MB, click on that checkbox and just download it. Since I have already installed Power BI desktop in my system, so I don't need to go for another setup file. So you may download it and install it in your PC. After downloading and installing Power BI, this is what Power BI window looks like. Click on the blank report and this is your Power BI user interface. Now, how to import a raw dataset into the Power BI user interface? Go to Get Data, Excel workbook, or any of the file format you have. Power BI accepts lots of file formats. I am but first importing the file which has an Excel workbook. This is a Excel workbook sample superstore data. Here we have orders. We need to load the file into our Power BI user interface. It will take some time. And here we go. This is our raw dataset imported into the Power BI window. After importing the raw dataset, now we will look into some visualizations. There are lots of visualizations in Power BI. We have stacked bar chart, we have stacked column chart, we have clustered bar chart, we have clustered column chart. In this way, all the visualizations you can do with the help of Power BI and the dataset. So since it is an analytical tool, so we need to know about what actually the start bar chart represents, what actually the start column chart represents, and similarly way all the charts, what actually it represents. Let me discuss now about horizontal stacked bar chart. It looks like this. In the x-axis, in the x-axis, we need to use continuous data column. Similarly, in the y-axis, we need to use categorical data column. Okay, let me give you a sample through Power BI. First of all, I will load the data. Let me display a horizontal stacked bar chart. In the x-axis, there will be a continuous column, and in the y-axis, we need to have a categorical column. So in this way, a horizontal bar chart looks like. Okay. Now a vertical bar chart. A vertical bar chart looks like this. X-axis and y-axis. In the x-axis, we need to provide, this is just the opposite of horizontal stacked bar chart. In the x-axis, we need to provide categorical data column, and in the y-axis, we need to provide continuous data column. Okay, let me visualize this through an example. This is my vertical bar chart. In the x-axis, we need to provide a categorical column, and the y-axis we need to provide a. This is how a vertical column chart looks like. Now let us look at a pie chart. So this is how a pie chart looks like. In the pie chart section, we need to have a categorical column and a continuous column. Okay, let me visualize this through a chart, how it actually the pie chart looks like. This is a pie chart visualization pane. So in the legends, we need to provide the categorical variable, that is segment, and in the values, we need to provide a continuous column. Okay, so this is how a pie chart looks like, and similarly the donut chart also looks like this. So these are all kinds of samples how with the visualization pane you can use it for your better data visualizations option. There are lots of options to customize this layout, how the interface will look like. Okay, your data analysis sections will look like. There are lots of customization options.